Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, January 13th. It is a Wednesday, that means it's an async day. We will not meet together on Zoom. Let's see what you have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have two activities. The first one is a Kahoot game on negatives. Second thing you need to do is to work on your racial inequality essay. Okay, so you should have your POV. Please write it so then after that we'll type it up. So you should have your POV and claim from before, and then you need to work on your evidence. So look at the evidence you chose, and then you will write your paragraph. You only need 3 to 4 pieces of evidence, just like we did in our practice and on our test. So you will do your evidence paragraph for your racial inequality essay. Okay, and that's it for today. Good luck.